Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Vinod Kumar Agarwal, faculty for CA Final FR, SFM, Risk Management, GFRS, Financial Services and Capital Market. Today I am going to do the analysis of July 2021 SFM paper. So I need to tell you that this SFM paper was the easiest paper in the recent times. I have never seen an easier paper than this. Most of the questions were from past examinations. And I am going to show you below the exam which they have used for preparing your question set. Very easy. Student with good conceptual clarity, with good practice, can easily solve the entire paper. Questions have been covered from almost all the chapters. You can't keep any topic for option. They have covered forex, derivative, portfolio, valuation of business, bond, share, mergers, mutual fund, and almost all theory topics also they have covered, because there are theory questions also attached to every question. So here we are going to start our review of SFM July 2021 paper. As usual, the first question is compulsory and you have to solve any 4 questions from the remaining 5. So the format is continued, but you should check the format every time you write the paper, because in some exams all questions are compulsory. Fortunately, this time one option was there. The first question was on international capital budgeting. Same to same question they have asked, which was already asked in November 14 exam, May 17 exam, RTP November 18 exam. They have only changed some numbers here and there. So a student who has practiced past exam paper can easily score this question of 8 marks. For 8 marks, it is a little lengthy question, but yes, if you have already done a question beforehand, it becomes very easy in the exam. Then question number 1B, same to same question in November 2007 exam. CA Final November 2007 exam, old course, same to same question. This time only these numbers they have changed. In 2007 exam it was 5000 BSc index point, but now keeping the current market index, they have made it 25,000. Still it is very low, okay, because index has crossed 53,000 now. Third question was, 1C was a theory question, state the strategy at different hierarchy level. So this is a theory question from your theory section. Question number 2A. Question 2A was very easy question on portfolio beta and Nifty future. This question is a favorite question of your favorite institute. First they had asked in November 13 exam, May 17 exam, RTP 17 exam, and now in July 21 exam. So going by the trend, the next question will come in May 2025, okay. Repetition after every 4 years. So this question is very easy. You can just get 8 marks easily. Question number 2B was on interest rate swap. Again a highly repeated question in the exam, and you can say this was the easiest question of this entire paper. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes to solve and you get 8 marks. This was first asked in November 8 exam, November 10 exam, March 21 MTP. And in between also they have asked, I have not written those years. So very easy question of interest rate swap, just compute interest receivable, payable. And question number 2C, theory question, write the main features of value at risk. 4 marks. So the pattern is one theory question is there along with every question for 4 marks. 3A. Question 3A is also a highly repeat question. November 9 exam, November 12 exam, May 19 exam. Same question. Only these numbers will change. But the basic structure of the question is same. You can see. Prepare income statement, growth rate, fair value of the share, whether the share is overpriced or underpriced. This is also very easy. Only what question which was I have not found in other exams is question number 3B, but it's a very easy question. You have to decide in which currency you should get the invoicing done. So do the calculation, and the one which is most profitable to you, in that currency you should quote. Question number 3C, theory question, venture capital financing. Indicative risk matrix for each stages of funding for venture capital financing. This theory question you will find in your theory notes easily. Another highly repeat question in the exam is a question on mutual fund where they give 3 schemes invested at 3 point of time, and they will give you investment, NAV, dividend, closing NAV, and what the student is supposed to do? Find the effective yield. Same question every time, and what decision he is going to take. So the one which generates more yield, you invest in that. Bond valuation, another easiest question of this paper, and this is one of the most repeated question in the exam. You must be aware. They will give you some basic feature of a convertible bond, and they ask you to calculate some basic terms related to convertible bond like conversion value, downside risk, conversion premium, conversion parity price. For each right answer you get 2 marks. Only what is extra this time, interpret the result also. That's it. Then again one theory question 4C. Note on pitch presentation and list the methods for approaching a pitch presentation. It is there in your notes. Very easy. All those 5 or 6 theory topics have this. Question number 5A. I am surprised, again 8 marks, and this is another very easy question. So easy you can solve it on calculator also. This question has been repeated several times in the exam. First June 9, November 12, and some more exams. Okay, very easy. You can try on calculator and you will get 8 marks. Question number 5B is a very easy question on portfolio beta. You will laugh at this question. Portfolio betas are given for 5 mutual fund. Weights are given, and they are asking you to find out the beta of the portfolio. Multiply weight into beta. In plan B they have changed the weight. Again portfolio beta with different weights. Again 4 marks. And then if expected return of market portfolio is 12, RM is given. Find out the expected return of the portfolio in both the plans. So apply CAPM formula, and then there is a 5C theory question on securitization. Every time one question on securitization is asked, what are the problems faced in the growth of securitization instrument in Indian context? 4 marks. Write as much as you can. Okay. Question number 6, mergers and acquisition. This is not the same question, but similar questions have been asked in May 14, May 19 exam, and this question requires you to find out the net cost of acquisition. And again, this is cash deal, this is stock deal, and you have to find out the net cost of acquisition, which we cover in the class number of questions of this type. Okay, calculate the gain from acquisition. So student who has done mergers and acquisition class, he will easily be able to solve. Question number 6b was on buyback of share. I will tell you from old course till new course, 10 times they must have asked this question in old and new together. And same problem. Every time they will ask you what is the buyback price, how many shares you have to buy back, and what will be post buyback EPS. Covered in our class notes in the valuation of share chapter. Is it right? And the last theory question. There is an option inside the option. Question 6 itself is optional. Within that, write a note on interest rate swaption and its feature. This is covered in interest rate swap chapter in our notes, and describe the tracking error, list the reason for it. So this is your CA final SFM July 2021 paper, and I will just highlight this teacher's comment once again for you. You will appreciate almost, I think except 2 questions, all questions were from past exam. What more do you want? And you have a choice also. Then with basic understanding you can get it very easy. You can just revise all the questions. In our class notes which we cover, all these questions which I have marked here are already covered. That is why it was easy for me to quickly write down from which year which question has been asked. So we have covered all these questions. We have covered all this theory also. We also provide you a formula book so that you can revise the formula. We also provide you a model test paper book which covers past model test paper, past exam questions. So all these are covered. One good news is that right now we are providing SFM at a very heavy discounted price. From 8th July to 15 July, you can purchase SFM. Only you have to pay for the notes 3,000 rupees. The video lectures are free. Only pay for the notes. You will get SFM notes, theory notes, formula and MTP. And plus your doubts will also be solved. Whenever you will have any doubt, you will mail to me and your doubts will also be resolved. I wish you all the best for your remaining exams, and I wish you all the best for your future exams. Good luck. Thank you.